Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. And today we have, this normally doesn't happen, but today we have part two of the Merry Christmas new super coupons. We just did a video a couple days ago, but it was only for about 2/3 of the coupons. So now we're going to go over the last third of the coupon. It's about an extra 20 deals. Normally that doesn't happen. But either way, there's some good ones in there, so I wanted to share them. If you find this useful or helpful, dare I say entertaining, please consider liking and or subscribing. We did it, Harbros. We did it. Even more of a reason to make another video. We got to 20,000 subscribers, and that's just thanks to everybody who's willing to support and watch these videos. And hopefully they really are helpful. Hopefully they're not too silly. And again, I appreciate everybody for the support. And let's just jump in. We'll do a minor recap. Anybody get the 20% off Badland? Anybody get welding? Badland Jack tomorrow for less of a discount. But let's keep going. We mentioned this in the other video. 20% off all Bauer belts, pouches, and holsters is extended through the 28th. And we saw these. Hercules alerts, $30 off, less than 10%. Really good deal on a replacement filter, 26% off. Icon alert, but not that great of a deal. Bauer vacuum, 18% off. 23% off some ratchets. 23% off some ratcheting tie downs. The $70 off Hercules dust extractor. Solid. We peruse down and down and down we go. Central Machinery dust collector, $80 off. And we get to the deals that we missed. Starting with Chicago Electric. Power tools, 1.3 amp variable speed rotary toolkit, 31 piece, $15. 34% off. Great discount. Bauer 5.3 amp half inch 18-inch band file belt sander, $43, 21% off. Then the Pittsburgh 12-ton air hydraulic bottle jack, $100. Normally $120, down $20. Hercules alert masonry drill bit set 6-piece, $13. Normally $17, 23% off. Centec digital inspection camera for $60. Normally $80. 25% off. Good discount. Harbro favorite, Chicago Electric, 3/4 horsepower. That's nuts. Concrete vibrator, $80. $20 off. Normally $100. Warriors drill and driver bit set, 58-piece, $10. 33% off compared to Hart. And we have Bauer 9 amp half inch variable speed D handle drill. Handle is in the shape of a D. $45, 25% off, $60 normally. Great deal. Then we have the battery operated liquid transfer pump for $6.99. Almost nice. Normally $13.49. 48% off, requires 2 D batteries, sold separately. What a discount on that. And I feel like people have used these. Has anybody used these? Are these really solid? I feel like they are. We continue. Hallmaster. Assorted length elastic stretch cords, 23 piece, $10.49. Normally $14, 25% off there. Then we have Icon and Icon Alert. Long jaw master puller set, 22 piece, $180. Normally $210, $30 off. And is that at our 15% bare minimum? Let's see, $30 from $210. Just below. We're at 4. Next, Warrior. Grinder brush kit, 7-piece. Great brush kit. Don't download the app. $10. Normally $13, 23% off. Next, Merry Christmas. One Stop Gardens. 20-foot telescoping flagpole kit. $80. Normally $100. $20 off. US flag included. And again, not available in Minnesota. What have you guys done? Doyle. 6-inch hitch vise, $90, $30 off, normally $120. Central Machinery, 16-inch variable speed scroll saw for $100, $10 off, normally $10. We have Central Machinery again, 6-inch by 48-inch belt and 9-inch disc sander, $250, normally $280, $30 off. Storehouse in the house. I told somebody that I'd say that, and I finally did. Marine heat shrink tubing assortment with case, 42-piece, $3.99, normally $6.49, 38% off compared to Grip-On. Quinn Alert, 3/8 inch drive, 20 to 100 foot pound click torque wrench, $50, 28% off. Normally $69.99 compared to DeWalt. Decent, really, really decent deal there. Now a Pittsburgh Deluxe Lens Renewal System, $10, normally $14, 28% off. Hall Master 2-inch drop, 1-inch rise hitch mount for $13, normally $15, 13% off. Then we have Central Machinery 6-inch cross slide vise, $69.99, nice. Normally $89.99, 22% off. Then we have the Central Machinery 7-inch by 10-inch precision benchtop mini lathe. How fun! $600, normally $700, $100 off, and we will do the math. $100 off of 700. Again, just below our 15% minimum. Close. Next, Chicago Electric Power Tools 4-inch biscuit plate joiner. $40, normally $55, 27% off compared to Makita. Hercules Alert, the 10-inch tool tote with 22 pockets. $20, $26.99, 25% off in the looking bag. We continue. Pittsburgh, brand new 12-volt battery direct tire inflator with LED light, $55, only $69.99, 21% off. Battery direct tire inflator with LED light. That is interesting. Next, Hallmaster forearm lifting straps, $11, normally $15, 26% off compared to forearm forklift. Who needs a forklift when you have your forearms? Next, Hercules Alert 4.5-inch double row segmented diamond cup wheel for $40, normally $50, 20% off. We have Franklin 5-inch by 1,000-foot high-performance stretch wrap for $6.99. Almost nice. Normally $10, 30% off. We have Pittsburgh 3/8-inch drive Crowfoot wrench set, 7-piece. Your choice, $10, 33% off. Normally $15. Your choice of SAE or metric compared to Craftsman. Then more Storehouse in the house. Heat shrink tubing assortment with case, 120-piece, $3, normally $4.50, 33% off. And we have Bauer 8-inch stationary buffer, $110, $10 off, normally $120. Some rare earth magnets, 10-pack. I mean, it can't be that rare. $2, normally $3, 33% off. And more Storehouse, 12-drawer storage organizer for $8, normally $10, 20% off. And Central Machinery, big Central Machinery day, 6-inch buffer, $60, normally $69.99, 14% off. Compared to PowerTech, Hercules Alert hammer drill masonry bit set 3-piece, $13, normally $17, 23% off. We have some Hardy latex cleaning gloves, 2 pair, $1.49, normally $3, 50% off, much like most of the Hardy sales. Then again, Storehouse, 24-bin benchtop parts rack, $40, normally $50, 20% off. We have Bowers 3.5 amp 3/8-inch variable speed close quarters drill for $40, normally $50, 20% off compared to Milwaukee. We have an Apache 550 weatherproof clear case for $10, normally $14, 28% off, of course, compared to Pelican. Then we have a Merlin 3/8-inch by 50-foot PVC rubber hybrid air hose for 1/4-inch MPT fittings, $20, normally $30, 33% off. Great deal. Then Franklin's 19-inch by 29-inch folding platform truck, $30, $37, 18% off. Then we have Chicago Electric Power Tools 7-amp 4-inch handheld dry cut tile saw, $30, normally $40, 25% off. Blades sold separately. And then we have the Franklin 1.88-inch by 55-yard heavy-duty packaging tape gun for $6, normally $9, 33% off. Central Forge's 15-pound rugged cast iron anvil for $15, normally $20, 25% off. The spring clamp sets, not the mini. These are the regular for $4.49, normally $6.49, 30% off. And the Portland 1750 PSI 1.3 gallons per minute corded electric pressure washer for $80, $10 off from $90, 11% off. And again on sale, the Bauer 1800 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute portable electric pressure washer. Maybe more people have more batteries now, and it's $20 off, so 20% off, similar to the weekend deal. Then Franklin, 900-pound capacity multi-purpose scaffold for 200 bucks, $30 off, only 230. Franklin's 30-inch by 18-inch 1,000-pound capacity hardwood dolly for 14 bucks, 22% off, normally 18 bucks. Central Machinery 31-inch PVC folding sawhorse, 350-pound capacity, 10 bucks, normally 14 bucks, 28% off. The Bauer 20-volt cordless 96-mile-per-hour jet fan blower kit, $90, $10 off, that's 10%. And then last but not least, this one's really cool. I didn't know Quinn had one of these, but this is the Quinn lifetime warranty electronics repair kit, 87 piece, 30 bucks, normally 40 bucks, 25% off compared to iFixit. I have an iFixit kit and it's amazing, but I got one a long time ago and not as fleshed out as this one is. So this I feel like is a steal of a deal. Quinn repair kit compared to iFixit. I wonder how closely they match, but those are the rest of the Merry Christmas coupons. And I think there are some good ones here. Sorry that I missed them, but here they are. Let me know if any of these new ones pique your interest. But either way, we'll leave it at that. Let me know. Thanks for 20,000 subscribers. We did it, Harbros. And as usual, still please consider liking and subscribing. We'll keep growing the community because that's really what it is. And that's beautiful. Anyways, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.